When you launch Excel, you can either choose to create a new blank workbook by going to New and selecting Blank Workbook, or you can choose to open an existing one. I'm going to choose to create a new blank workbook to walk you through the different features. Now this is what we call a workbook, and it is comprised of one or more Excel worksheets that are displayed at the bottom. Think of an Excel workbook as a folder that collects single documents called worksheets that have relations to one another. This is a column, and this is a row. The intersection between rows and columns creates what we call a cell. The name of the cell is a combination of the letter of the column and the number in the row. In this example, the column is D and the row is 5, and the cell's name is D5. This is the name box. It tells you which cell is active. You can also type in the name of a cell and it'll take you to it. This is the formula bar, and you can use it to edit or insert your cell's content. And when you select your cell, its name is going to appear in the name box, and in the formula bar you will get to see your cell's contents. This is the ribbon. It enables you to quickly find and use commands for completing a certain task. Not sure where to find something particular you're looking for? Just use Excel's Tell Me box. It helps you find what you want to do. I'm looking for the font here, and here it is, the font color, and now I can choose my font color accordingly. This is the zoom bar. You can use it to zoom in or zoom out by hitting the plus or minus signs.